Hello everyone, here I'm going to teach you how to download the Daraz online shopping app on your iPhone device or iOS. So these are the following steps to follow to download the Daraz app on your device. So once you unlock your iOS device, now you must have the internet access on your device. So either you turn on the Wi-Fi or the data. So once you get the internet access, now locate the App Store icon on your home screen. Here in the blue color, you get to see the App Store icon. Now tap on it to open the app. So once you open the App Store, you get to see the search bar at the bottom right corner of the app. So tap on that search bar and you get to tap on the search button. So once you tap on it, now you can type the Daraz app that you have to download. So once you search, this will bring up a list of search results related to the Daraz. Now you have to look for the official Daraz online shopping app in the search result. It should have the Daraz logo and be developed by the Daraz mobile. So now tap on the Daraz app icon to open its download page. Once you open the download page, you will see get options in the blue color. Now tap on it to start the download and installation process. So you get to prompted to enter your Apple ID or password or use the Face ID or Touch ID before the install. So you have to type your Apple ID password. So once you type your Apple ID password, now go for the sign in option. So once you tap, the app will begin downloading and installing on your device. The download progress can be seen on the app icon on your home screen. Daraz app has finished installing. Now you can open it directly from the App Store by tapping open, or you can open it by clicking or through the home screen among your other apps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.